Hello everyone. Today we are going to build the one container. First we need the EC2 instance. So I am going to launch the EC2 instance. Click on launch. Here I am giving the test-app. Here I have given and I am choosing the Ubuntu. And 24 I am choosing key pair. I am creating new key pair here, that is Ubuntu. For our naming convention I am giving the Ubuntu. Create key pair. And I am giving the default all the details. Click on launch. Now it's going to launch the instance. Successfully it is launched. Just now we have created the test app and now it is in running. So I want to communicate with this server. Click on connect. Copy this SSH client example. Open git bash. We want to open the git bash in download folder because we have the PEM file inside downloads. Now I am going to paste the SSH key. We should give yes. Now it's connected to my server. Now sudo bash and first we need to install the Docker. I am going to DigitalOcean. This is the very trusted website. I will believe this website. First we need to update the sudo apt update. I am copying the second line. Y enter. Here apt key add means no one will not change these keys. This is for secure. Curl means we are downloading from the browser. I am adding the repository to apt sources. Press enter to continue. Here CE means community edition. Now I want to install the Docker community edition. Type Y, enter. Now we need to check the Docker running status. Active and it is running now. I am pressing Q in my keyboard. It's quitting. Now I want to create one application inside. I am using mkdir -p/opt. I am giving cd. I am going to inside the directory. Now currently we don't have any files here. I am creating the Docker file. First I will create the HTML file. vi html.index index.html. Now I am going to write some content here. Insert mode. Hello, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video and share my video. Now I am quitting out from the HTML file. Now here I want to create one Docker file, vi Docker file. Here first we need to write the base image, that is from, I'm going to keep insert mode, from space nginx semicolon alpine. Next we are using the copy command dot slash user share nginx share html. Here we are using the nginx base image, that is alpine. We have the lot of libraries will be there inside that nginx. We are using alpine copy what we have available, the current file, that is index.html. that file is going to copy to nginx html server. Now I am saving the file. Now I want to build this Docker file. Docker build -t nginx. For our identification I am giving one tag space dot. Here it's building the Docker file. Now we should use docker run -d -p. We should give this port for our accessible, and 80 means it is nginx semicolon 1. Previously here we have given the 1 for the identification. Now here I want to run that image. Here it will become to container. Now docker ps. Here we can see nginx 1. It is running, created 6 seconds ago and status 5 seconds ago. This is the container ID. Now I am going to see that now I am going to see the images. Docker images. Here we have the nginx image. Currently based on this image container is running. For our identification I have given here one tag. Here also you can observe this is 1. Based on this image container is running it. I want to see to stop the Docker container. Docker stop. I want to give the container ID. I'm going to paste. Now I'm going to check the Docker containers. There is no containers. I want to check is it existed or not. One container is exited. Now I want to make it up again. Docker start. I'm going to give the container ID. Now we will check again Docker ps. to know the container. Just now it is up 4 seconds ago and it is created a minute ago. Now I want to go inside the container to see the information my index.html file is copied or not. Docker exec -d -p not -d -it. We need to give the container ID. I am copying the container ID sh. Now I am in my container. So if we type ls, we can able to see the files of the container inside. Now I want to know my index.html file is copied or not. cd/user next share. Next I think we given nginx html ls. If we can see here 3 files are generated. Actually earlier we have created only 2 files, that is docker file and index.html. If we see the information of the docker file, this is the docker file we have written earlier in the my VM. Now I am going to see the index.html file. This is the information I have written in that my index.html page. Another file we have generated here 50x.html. It is the HTML cache data. Automatically it's generated. See here, this is the HTML file. It is automatically generated. Now I am going to go back by using the cd. I am trying to check my storage du. It is telling 8. Now I am going to check df -h. Here we can see the more information. This is my container information. Now I want to check this is available in the browser or not. Earlier we have given the 801 port. I am going to copy my public IP. This is test application public IP. Copied here, pasted 801. I am giving the port. Now I am in the docker container inside. I am exiting docker ps to check the status. Now it is up and running. I have given here 801 port. We did not given the security rules inside. I am going to edit the inbound rules. Edit inbound rules. I am giving 801 port. All ports. I am opening. CDR block I am giving 0 and it is anywhere source. Save rules. Now it will work in the browser. Here you can see, hello, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video, share my video. Thank you.